Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Trace Jolie Kit Club Design Team member video. I'm using all three kits. So, from the mixed media kit, I've got some seafoam stencil butter and these fun little mechanicals. I'm going to make shaker pockets out of them using this sequin mix here. I have got this from the card kit. Potentially this as well, or this is the scrapbooking kit. I should have marked that down. I'm going to use the clear stamp with the seafoam butter. Got some X's and O's. We got some keys. I fussy cut out these three cards. It says romance, amor, and forever. I'm going to map my photo with that piece right there. This is from the scrapbooking piece, or kit, and that's my background. So, that's a lot. So let's just dive right in, because I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't know where this layout's going to take me. Alright. Let's go right about here. We're going to do a slight mat. I'm just going to fussy cut it real quick. So, if you guys have not checked out this kit club yet, or just the shop, do the shop, you know, little a la carte. Let's do some fun, because I'm too lazy to grab my distress tool. Scissors work just fine to just add that little bit of something that you need. And I feel like I have more control. Probably better. You just got to be careful so you don't A, cut yourself, or the paper. Yep, that's right. Done both of them. So we've got that. Where are those three cards? I want to rough those up as well. So now if you found this video on my channel, my personal channel, please head over to the Trace Jolie YouTube. Give them some love. See all the other fun videos that are on there. And then you'll also be able to get to see the reveals on reveal day. Okay. Because I don't always get all three kits. I'm trying to. Because I do purchase some of them. Because, you guys, these are just gorgeous kits. And Kim, the owner, curates them so well. Like, they're schmancy fancy. I love them. And a kit club is a very good way to get a sampling of material for a very, very fabulous price, so that you don't have to buy the whole collection, which is something that I have been working on this year. I do not want to buy all the collections because, well, I've got so many and I never use them. So, kit clubs, I've been using up my kits fairly quickly. And I just feel like it's a better bang for your buck, right? Okay. So I know you were trying, we're just gonna, real quick, gonna roughly fussy cut this piece out right here. So that we can use this as an element on the background. I gotta figure out what should we do with the mixed media. There's so many beautiful things that I want to try. And I'm so happy that the stencil butter was in there, because I have been meaning to try that, but I don't think that I've got that far yet. So then we're just going to come in and just rough up these edges too. So the scissors, you can definitely get done in there. Sometimes you can use your fingernail, but we're going mixed media messy today, I think. I haven't done a messy mixed media layout in quite some time. At least it feels like it, right? All right. So we've got those all scuffed up. Let's see. Let's get in here. So this is a Finnabair. And I'm literally going to make one big shaker and one little shaker. Okay. But how, you say? I say, I don't know. Let's just I need to cover that because we're just gonna pop the sequins in there, but I just need to cover that just a little bit. I need a punch. So you guys, let's wait. All I'm gonna do is punch and put that in the back. Okay. Before we do anything else, let's trim this down. I absolutely love when the papers are kind of already done. And this is Cherished Elegance Memory Place. Well, actually, Memory Place Cherished. Oh, words. They're hard. Okay, and then we've got these fabulous keys over here. So I am going to pop that in there. Here's my thought process. I want to use, oh, that's a sticky stamp. And oh, well, hello. I don't actually know how this is going to work, huh? So I'm just gonna rub that around because I told you I'm messy. And we're gonna see how this turns out. And we're just gonna go ahead and pop them. So we're just gonna give some swirlies. Kind of add a little texture to the background and pop that in there again. Just kind of move it around with my finger. We're going to come down here. And then we're gonna, let's see, where's that photo? That's gonna go here, so we wanna keep doing this. So just a different fun way to do. So I had lost my voice earlier in the week, which was it was very painful. It's still pretty rough, but we're getting there. Okay, this is fun because it's obviously you can't see the image all that well, but I am turning it just to kind of get different. Like I'm not really going for the image, I'm going for the mixed media in the background. And then we'll just clean that fun stamp off. Okay. I'm horrible at cleaning stamps. Don't be like me. Clean your stamps properly. Alright, then the other thing, so that is like a very thin layer, but do you see the texture that we've got going on in there? I think that's awesome. And I want to take, how many keys do we have? We've got, oh, that's a big dog. Yeah, it is. Let's see if we can get 2 of these keys. The neighbors are outside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint these up. Let me calm the dog down and we'll be back. Alright, so I took the Prima flower. We've got that stuck on there. I did take that piece of gold lace ribbon that was cut perfectly, so we're going to just use that as an anchor. We've got our faux shaker pockets made. I'm tearing those, okay? So everybody's going to be like, no! But this is why. Okay? So, just do. Okay. So we're going to take this guy, like right here. And we're going to come in. Let's actually tear that just a little bit more, because really, honestly, you guys, it's because I'm lazy. There's really no other reason for it. And then we're gonna pop that one right there. Then the bottoms we're gonna stick down here. So I just pull a little bit more off of this. I told you it was all messy today. So I'm gonna stick this guy under there. Get the forever. A little bit shorter. A little bit shorter. Because I've got foam sitting there as well. And then we're going to pop the romance in there. Alright, and then I'm going to take my keys, and I just kind of pounced right on there. So we're going to take the key. Let's go. Let's kind of get that put. That one can go there. And this one needs to slide up right there. Yes, yes, yes. So I'm just going to get that glued down. This is coming together super easy, you guys. When the products are this gorgeous and are curated and all match, can't really ask for much more, can you? Okay. So I'm just getting some adhesive on here. And we're going to push that right under there. All right, now we need to nestle. I'm going to put this guy right there, and then I need to find another place. So I did pop glue all over that, in hopes that the sequins would not fall out. So we're going to use a lot of liquid. Oh, bee, stop. My husband's gonna yell at her. I'm gonna hold this down for a minute. Probably could. No, we're not gonna use that. We're not gonna. Don't force it. And then we want. We can nestle that guy right there. So I am being very, very generous with the amount of glue that I am putting on these little guys here. All right, what else? Oh my goodness, I didn't pull anything else out, but you guys, I don't want to add anything else, right? Like, look at how pretty this is. Let me look. Oh, I love it. I could probably, let's see what we have in here. I actually kind of want that to go right there. That's going to be our title. So let's pop that up on some foam. So yes, you guys have got to go check out Jolie. Pick yourself up a fabulous kit, or just get some stuff a la carte, because you can get these fabulous, like, laser cut items and all kinds of other fun stuff. Also, I believe there's planner stuff on there as well. Just saying. And you guys know I'm like I'm a planner freak. Let's be honest. Yeah, I'm super excited at how quickly this came together. Usually they don't work out like that for me. I mean, that's not true. They do sometimes. So I'm just getting foam. And then we're going to go ahead and all right. That is going to do it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will check you later with another video. Don't forget to head on over to Jolie. Bye.